Hello, dear friends. If you're new, welcome to Create Change Design. My name is Becky. I've got a beautiful project for you today, but first I want to show you our front porch. I'm going to be decorating it for fall in stages. It's a bit of a challenge because it's long and narrow, but my decorating wheels are turning. I've just started my show. This is the second one. Check out my first video with the lawn tables. I've got a lot of ideas for the porch, but it takes time, so I hope you will follow my content to see what I do. I bought this wreath at the local thrift store for $9. It was originally $39.99. It's been hanging here since spring. I took it down and washed it with a hose, and the water didn't hurt it at all. It's a very sturdy wreath. I've been wanting to add color, so I've decided to paint the leaves. All of them? Just the yellow ones? I never know exactly what I will do until I'm doing it. We'll see. My colors this fall are going to be in the burgundy tones with blue here and there, along with the traditional oranges. I got some of my acrylic paints out to help me decide. Any acrylic paint will do, since the wreath will be in constant shade. I'm starting with the two burgundy shades. I didn't show it, but I also added a bit of dark brown later on to mix with the darker burgundy for a better contrast. I'm starting with the yellow leaves. I'm not covering the leaves, just adding color. I don't want the paint to be thick, so I'm watering it down a bit. I'm applying the paint in little strokes here and there. This process is so relaxing. I'm actually listening to other content videos as I go. Very inspiring. Friends, my hopes and prayers for you are that you will be encouraged and be filled with the peace of God. Remember that He is holding on to you. He cares for you and your family. Rest in His promises. After working with it a lot, it really got fluffy. Here is the darker burgundy with a bit of dark brown added. I'm painting the darker color in spots that will hopefully give the leaves dimension, blending with the lighter burgundy to make it look natural. If you remember at the beginning, when I was choosing paint colors, I put blue paint out. Blue is my favorite color, and my granddaughter's too. After stepping back to take a look, I decided not to paint any blue on the leaves. I like the green leaves as they are. Instead, I brought out some blue flowers. I cut them into 6 sprigs each of the dark and light flowers. I'm putting the dark behind the light for a good contrast. Trying to put them near the yellow leaves I just painted. I got that pretty little dessert plate from Hobby Lobby a few months ago. So cute. Here I am trying to space it out. I saved an open section for a bow. Ugh, I want the yellow leaves to show. I can't remember where I got this burlap ribbon. It was either from Costco or Hobby Lobby. It's very thick and good quality. It has wire edging so it keeps the shape I want it to have. I had to cut the edges a little so it would gather better. I have to add tails. I'm using jute twine to hold it, then attaching it to the wreath. At first I was going to put the bow on the top of the wreath, but I thought it would cover too much of the beautiful work I just did. So I'm turning it around to be on the bottom. Much better. I have some blue flowers left over. Oh my gosh, the glue I'm using is very hot. It's taking forever to cool enough to keep things in place. The bow kept slipping down and the flowers wouldn't stay up. I had to figure out what to put under them to keep them propped up. The ribbon spool and jute tying spool worked. Sometimes I like to cut the ends of the ribbons at an angle, but I want to dovetail these. Finally, the glue set up. Now, as a final touch, I'm adding sprigs of acorns, leaves, pine cones, and twigs. I made a loop of jute twine to hang the wreath by. Perfect. I'm so glad I added the blue flowers. They really brightened it up. I might change where I put the wreath once I get to decorating the porch, but for now, it goes back where it was. I hope you enjoyed watching. Until next time, have a wonderful day, every day.